Hey everyone, we are joined by Tyrell Batiste, who is known by another nickname, and I'm going to let you introduce it. What is that other nickname?
Sexy man.
Yeah, sexy man. So listen, congratulations. This is, a well-earned result. It was a tough game. That first half looked very physical. It was 1-1. So, after this, what was a pretty grueling season, a lot of people saying you all were underdogs. What is it like to finally hold that trophy and celebrate?
Well, to me it's a big achievement because whole season long we've been working hard, pre-season as a team coming together and trying to improve it, but every game to get better and play better as a team, and so far we're still improving as a team, and we're just thankful to be champions 2016.
Okay, so I spoke to the coach and Errol emphasized unity and love, and so at halftime, the game was very tight. What was the atmosphere like in the room? What did the coach give you all to really rally up and grind out that victory?
Well, I know it's a tough game, but as I warm up on the side knowing that I'm about to come on, I was like, if me and score, my team can win. So I put the strain on my shoulders, and even though if me and score, I will assist a goal to make sure we team get ahead. So I just try my best and work hard when I come on for the team to get the win and for you to get victory in order for you to come out victorious every game. Okay,
so essentially teamwork is an important thing. So if you had to highlight one factor that really, this is what makes Shiva Boy special, this is why we won, what you would say, what you would think that is?
The factor is that we together, everybody together as a team and work hard as a team for each other. Work like in anybody weak spots, we try to improve each other every day, every training, and come out together. Okay,
so if you have any message for the people who are not here, your friends or schoolmates who are not here, Judah who is on a trial, what message you have for all your friends and family out there?
I just want them to know that we are champions 2016. I like Denzel Smith, who is away on the national team too. And I big up all my friends and supporters out there.
Okay, so I don't want to keep you back from celebrating. I know you want to celebrate with your buddies. So once again from Extra Time, congratulations. And we definitely, are happy for you guys. And we'll definitely be, keeping tabs on you guys. So take care and thanks.
Yeah. Okay everyone, and don't forget, if you like and subscribe our YouTube page, Extra Time TV, you instantly qualify for the opportunity to win 2 tickets to the Trinidad and Tobago versus Costa Rica on November 2016.